Hi, I'm Sebastian, and today I'm going to do chicken shawarma on the grill. My friend Noam at Trompo King sent me this device, which allows us to stack the meat and grill chicken shawarma right on the grill. Let's do it. When I called Noam from Trompo King that I'm going to be using the Trompo King and I was wondering what's the best thing to cook on it, he told me that the shawarma style chicken thighs from Trader Joe's are pretty awesome, so that's what we're using here on this recipe. I set the grill to cook at 350 degrees, and it took us about an hour and a half to get the chicken to 165 degrees internal temperature. .165 degrees. That's what we're looking for to make sure that the chicken is well cooked. I have to say I'm a little bit nervous about this one because first time I'm cooking chicken shawarma and first time I'm using the Trompo King, but it looks amazing. Like, I wish you guys could smell this. Like, it's phenomenal. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's try this out. Wow, look at this. It's beautiful. Nice. Oh, really nice. Here, let me show you. Let me show you guys. Look at this. Look at this. Let's build a sandwich with this, shall we? Chicken shawarma. Some of the chicken meat. Looks delicious. Look, it's really juicy. Really nice. I especially like the crusty bits. Really good. I cubed some tomatoes, onion, whoop, and cucumber, and a little bit of feta cheese. And just sprinkle with a little bit of lemon juice. And to top it off, I've made a little bit of tzatziki, a bit of hot sauce. Mary Sharp's hot sauce. Okay, let's see how this went. This better be good. If it's as good as it smells, it's gonna be amazing. Oh, look at the juice. Oh yeah, this is good stuff. I'm very happy. For the first time, this turned out amazing. I love good gyro, and here in Miami, it's really hard to get. Yeah, this is a good one. I can only recommend it. Try the Trompo King. I bought most of these things in Trader Joe's. The meat was already pre-marinated, and all the produce also from Trader Joe's. The tzatziki sauce from Trader Joe's. I can only recommend it. Very good stuff. This is good. Look at this. Very nice. Well, thank you so much. I had fun doing this episode for you guys. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and check us out next week for our next episode. Thank you so much.